37 weeks and I am ready to go, y'all. Oh my gosh, heartburn. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I am sharing with y'all today our diaper cart, which is something that's new to us. We did not have one of these with Kenny, but I've been seeing them literally all over like Pinterest and social media, and I'm like, that is genius. We need one of those. So I put one together and I'm gonna show you tray by tray or level by level what we are stocking it with for this little one when he gets here. So it is a cart that moves, as you can see. I actually found this on Amazon. I wanna say I paid around $30 for it. It comes in different colors. It's metal. I chose this one because it's got the little hanging things on them, but it's really functional and it doesn't have to be a diaper cart. It could be great for crafts, toys, pantry, teachers, whatever, but obviously we bought it for a diaper cart. And then I found this diaper caddy on H&M's website, and when I got it, I was like, I hope it fits. It literally was like made to fit inside of this thing. It's amazing. So I've already got it stocked, ready to go. It's next to our bassinet, which we have the snoo. We're using the snoo again this time, which we used with Kenny. And I'm gonna show you exactly what we have in here. So first let's start with the three little pockets here. The Fever Frida. I love Frida baby, everything. And then I've got the vitamin D drops. I use these with Kenny just because I exclusively breastfed with her and vitamin D is so important. We've got the Windy, and then we've got diaper rash cream, and this is something I've seen every mom post about. And then we have butt paste that's actually a prescription from Ken, but that's what's in these three little front pockets here. Up here, we've got our newborn diapers ready to go, our wipes. We're still waiting on a dresser probably for in here, so we'll have, you know, a changing station and a wipe warmer. I personally feel like wipe warmers are essential. I feel like it's one of those things that you see on lists that people say you don't need. I disagree. I think you do. And then we have the Munchkin. These are the little changing pad things. They go on and your changing table so that you can change your baby, and if there's a mess, you just pick it up and throw it and wash it. And then we've got the Tubby Todd all over ointment. This is something that we used with Ken, but we've watched so many YouTube videos and baby registries and blogs that everybody says that this is a must-have, so we have that. And then the other thing we have is the nail file kit. Listen, this is a must-have. Matt cut Kenny's nails one time and got her finger and made her blood, and that was it. He's like, never again. So we switched to one of these, and it's been the best investment ever. It's so cheap, it's from Amazon. Okay, on the second shelf, we have Binkies. These are already sterilized, ready to go. These are the MAM, M-A-M brand. And then we have the other ones, which are the Bib brands, which I haven't sterilized those, but those are gonna go in next. Kenny has a Lovey in here for him. She wanted to make sure he has a Lovey. And then we also have our burp cloths. These are washed, ready to go. We've already washed most of the baby stuff, at least everything from newborn to 3 months. But these are just from Amazon. They're so soft, and they're like that muslin, it's a muslin fabric that's just really absorbent and soft. And then I have the Milk Maker. This is a brand who sent me a bunch of stuff. These are the reusable breast pads, which I have those in here. And then I also have the Lansau or Lansanau, I can never pronounce them, the disposable ones as well. Amazon was genius in that I placed an order to stock my caddy, my caddy in my cart, and they placed our order outside of our garage door and I ran over it. So the result is we've got some smashed packaging, you know, but it is what it is. These are fine. But some of the other stuff we actually had to throw away. So Amazon, thankfully, they refunded that. On the bottom, we have some, well, you can see we have some empty space. And the reason is that I'm gonna put some sleepers and onesies and whatnot here, but I don't know what size he's gonna be yet until he's born. So if he's a newborn, then obviously newborn will go in here. But if he's a big boy, which he's kind of leaning that way, he might be 0 to 3 months. So that's why there's no clothes in here yet, but they're washed, they're ready to go, ready to stock. This bottom one is supposed to be for me. I had a couple of bottles of water, Essentia, and I already drank them. But so we're gonna restock that. But I have the cooling hydrogel nipple pads in here. We've got the breast pump wipes. My breast pump is gonna go in here. I have 3 different breast pumps and I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Actually I have 4 different breast pumps and I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. So I wanna feel that out before I put one in here stocked and ready to go. I've got the lactation cookie bar bites from Munchkin, which I ate all the time with Kenny. And then I bought these while I was at Target. They're the Booby Milk to the Max Superfood Lactation Bars. So I just wanted snacks here to have for those middle of the night feedings when I need to put some calories in my body to like replenish. And then these are all of the disposable Lanter breast pads. And then I forgot to show this. This is just a little diaper bag. And then these are, it's kind of like, reminds me of Soka. When I walk Soka and you got the poop bags that you scoop up the poop and throw them away. These are for dirty diapers in the middle of the night. We have not made a decision yet if we're gonna do a diaper pail. We had a diaper genie in Kenny's nursery in LA, and we hated it. We threw it away because we just felt like it stunk. No matter what we did, no matter how often we changed it, we just got to the point where we would just take the dirty diapers out every time. So that's why I was thinking, okay, if I have one of these in the middle of the night, I can change it, tie it up, and then take it out in the morning. So that's why we're going that direction right now. But I've heard really good things about the Ubi diaper pail. So if you had that and liked it, or you have another diaper pail that you had and loved, leave it in the comments and tell me, because we are really on the fence about that. So this is my diaper cart, my diaper caddy. This will pick up and carry out to the living room when we need to change a diaper. And yeah, let me know, am I missing anything? I am out of practice. I haven't done this in 7 years, almost 8. Isn't that crazy? Oh, and I feel like things have changed so much. Like just looking at the products of what I used with Ken and then how much they've changed in those almost 8 years, it's wild. So leave a comment, let me know if I'm missing anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna link every single thing that I've talked about here in the description box below, along with our favorite bassinet, which is the snoo. Like, we are obsessed. It was the best thing ever with Ken. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, see you soon. Au revoir.